Before we begin, we'd like to thank Invecs Autocentrum, located along the Olongapo-Gapan Road in San Fernando, Pampanga, for allowing us to feature some of their vehicles. You can find their contact details in the description of this video. Hey everyone! Welcome to AutoPH. Today, we'll be checking out the 2017 Toyota Fortuner 2.4G 4x2. This video will be a full tour and review of the Fortuner. We'll be checking out the different exterior and interior features. Here's the key, let's go ahead and check it out. The Fortuner 2.4G comes with a brown cloth interior. This variant of the Fortuner comes with a standard key where you twist it in the ignition to start the engine. This vehicle comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. This vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder D4D turbo diesel engine with 149 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. It is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels. The Fortuner is a mid-size SUV from Toyota. The second generation was launched locally in January 2016 with 4 variants: 2.7G, 2.4G, 2.4V, and 2.8V. In 2017, it became the best-selling vehicle in the Philippines, beating Toyota's own Vios with 39,680 units sold. The Fortuner is equipped with projector-type halogen headlights. The front fog lights are mounted on the bumper. The exterior color on this Fortuner is known as Attitude Black. Brand new Toyota Fortuner 2.4G has an MSRP of 1,682,000 Philippine pesos. All Fortuners are equipped with LED turn signal indicators on the side mirrors. On the rear, all variants of the Fortuner are equipped with LED taillights and an LED third brake light on the rear spoiler. A chrome bar with the Fortuner emblem connects both rear lights. G variants of the Fortuner comes with 17-inch alloy wheels in 265/55 R17 tires. It is equipped with ventilated disc brakes in front and drum brakes on the rear. 2018 and up models now come with ventilated disc brakes on all 4 wheels. This variant of the Fortuner is equipped with manual single-zone climate control. 2018 and up models are now equipped with automatic climate control for all variants. This vehicle comes with a 6.5-inch touchscreen LCD display with navigation, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and CD or DVD.
System activated.
The navigation screen is comparable to its competitors and is quick to react. The fonts on the screen are also easy to understand. On the left, you have controls for your windows and your automatic driver's side window, as well as your door and window locks and power folding mirrors. Below the AC controls, you have a USB port, auxiliary input, and a 12-volt power outlet. Opening the cover reveals two cup holders. Here you have your eco mode and power mode and a small storage area. Beneath the center armrest is a large storage area. Above, you have your map lights and a sunglass holder. You also have controls on the steering wheel. On the passenger side, you have a large storage area on the dashboard and your glove box. The rear seat in the Fortuner is good and better than the first generation, with lots of room for anyone with a height of 5 feet and 6 inches. You also get hooks behind the front seats and a 12-volt power outlet. Here you have your center armrest with two cup holders. Above you have rear vents, a dome light, and the controls for the fan speed of the rear aircon vents. Accessing the third row is easy. The second row completely tumbles and folds with one pull of a lever. Space in the third row is still the same as the first generation, with just enough room for an adult of 5 feet and 6 inches. It is better reserved for children during long road trips. Folding the third row to the side is easier than before. A spring mechanism aids in lifting the seats up. Once all seats are up, the space is abundant and is typical of its class with 716 liters. That's all for the 2017 Toyota Fortuner 2.4G 4x2. Please subscribe and watch out for more videos.